Hey Game Devs, Jason here. Yesterday I saw some really great news and I wanted to share it and quickly talk about it because there are a couple things that I think you need to watch out for. The news was around the FTC banning non-competes. Before I get into that though, I did want to quickly mention that I finally released the new game architecture course. If you want to get into building big advanced games with Unity 6, check it out at the link down in the description. Now let's get back onto the story. So the FTC just yesterday, April 23rd, decided to ban non-competes. And this bans all new non-competes, so nobody can have a new non-compete. And it also makes the existing ones unenforceable. If you haven't had a non-compete, then, well, you're in luck. But for everybody who's not sure what it is, it's essentially an agreement that you sign when you start working with a place saying that when you leave there, you can't go work for a direct competitor. And sometimes these have been very broad, sometimes they're really narrow, but now it's become like a big problem where it's not just hitting software companies.
So we're talking about fast food workers, security guards, nurses, we're talking about engineers, journalists, veterinarians.
They've decided to finally ban them. The only rules, or the only people that are still allowed to have a non-compete are existing ones who are C-level executives, it sounds like. Those ones can stay in place, but new ones are also not available or not enforceable. There are two really important things that I wanted to mention though. First is that NDAs are still available and still enforceable. That's a non-disclosure agreement. And if you have information that's company secret, anything that's really like trade secret type stuff, then that stuff can still be covered by the NDAs, and you still have to be kind of careful about that. The other thing, which I think is even way more important for game developers specifically, is that if you're working on your own side projects and you do that on company hardware, on the company network or anything else, they still can come after it. This does not protect you from that kind of stuff. So they could still come claim your game or come claim your IP. I've seen it happen before. You've got to be careful. Do your stuff on the side on your own system. All right, that's it for today. If you've got thoughts on this this non-compete stuff, if you've had to deal with it before, just drop a comment down below. I'm kind of curious how many people it's actually affected. I know a couple, but not a lot. Curious if it's been a big problem for a lot of people and if it's really making a huge difference, but it seems like a good change all around in my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.